Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I had a day off. So what did I do? I stayed up late last night. So I got up a little bit late this morning. You know, Camille doesn't allow it. 4 a.m. She wants me up. I don't get up at 4 a.m. ever. So I usually get up at 5:30 during the week. So I slept, you know, they woke me up a few times, but I slept till like 7:15 and then finally got out of bed. They finally coaxed me out. So I took my time and got ready and whatever. And then I had to run some errands. Had to go to the post office, had to go grocery shopping, you know, that kind of thing. So since I was going to the town with the grocery place that I wanted to go to because they had some great sale stuff, I went to TJ Maxx. We don't have very many stores like that around here. And the TJ Maxx is good. So they have, of course, well, they have Halloween and they have a bunch already. They're getting really stocked up and hard to move in there for Christmas, all the Christmas that's coming in. So they move things around. Their clearance is not in the same area. It took me a few minutes to find clearance because that's where I go. I go right for the sheet masks at the clearance. So let me show you what I got. I got a few things that are going to be friend mail, so I won't show them. Oh, and I did stop at Starbucks. I never go to Starbucks, y'all. But I have, you know, if y'all, I have the app on my phone, and I have a friend of mine takes these tests once in a while. And for taking the test, if he gets 100%, he gets a $10 or $15 gift card to Starbucks. And he doesn't like Starbucks, so he gives them to me. So I just put them on the app. So I had some money on the app. So I got this for free. This is the way I like to shop, because everything I got today, well, not my groceries were a fortune, but everything I got today that you'll see, plus I got for quote unquote free. So this is my Starbucks. This is just, I wanted something cold and I wanted a Frappuccino, but I didn't want any flavors. You know, the pumpkin's out, and I love the smell of all that. I just don't like the taste of it. They have mocha, they have caramel. I don't need all that sugar and sweetness. I do like it a little sweet. So I was saying, you know, what do you call that? Because it's not like what I get. You know, I don't really go there very much anymore. I used to. But they said, oh, that would just be called a coffee Frappuccino. So this is what it is. I sort of thought it was going to have whipped cream on top. It did not. You can see, could we stop seeing that bottom? What did she do that for? It's very tasty. It has caffeine in it, and it tastes like coffee with sugar and cream. That's what I like. Okay. All right. So I have a credit card, MasterCard, with TJ Maxx. So you can use it anywhere. And then what I do is I pay bills with it, pay some bills with it, and then I pay it off each month, because you don't want to get stuck owing money, because cards have a lot of interest on them. Of course, everybody knows this. I'm not telling you anything you don't know, but I don't like to pay interest. I refuse to pay anything extra that I have to pay unless it's an emergency. You know, sometimes we have to. So with the TJ Maxx card, you get certificates, $10 certificates every so often. So I had a few of those. I save them up. I never find clothes at TJ Maxx, ever. Very rare. One time a few years ago, I found the most wonderful jeans. They were Michael Kors. They were wonderful. And I've asked for them. Every time I go in there, I ask for them. Oh, we haven't got those again. Because they fit me like a glove. They were wonderful. And eventually over time, you know, they wore out some. But I hardly ever find any clothes in there. And with Stitch Fix and stuff, I really didn't need clothes, so I didn't even look. But I looked at the clearance, like I said, skincare, hair care, makeup. They finally had the Pat McGrath stuff at my TJ Maxx a few months back. When was that? It was a while ago, maybe back in spring. People in big cities were saying they have Pat McGrath, and I went and like, oh, no. But they had a lot. They had the beautiful blush palettes and things like that. I didn't get any of that for me because I wasn't really out spending for me, and I don't really want to spend. So like I said, I'm using free money. So let me show you what I got. I got this is Kala brand. These are soothing foot masks in lavender. Let me show them to you, and then I'll read to you what it says. I don't know, you know, they put the price tag right over the old price tag. So it was $4, and there's 3 foot masks in here. So is a pair, you know, so there's 2 in each package. And you put these on for 20 to 30 minutes, it says. It is with shea butter and sunflower seed oil, smoothing and softening, eases tired feet. So let me show you what one package looks like. So it's a little thick, but you know, you've got your 2 boots in there, or 2 socks is what you call them. And it's lavender scent, so what a nice way to relax before you go to bed one night, maybe, you know. And great for giveaways, great for friend mail. Here comes the train. We have to have that, of course. So then they did have these, and I just got them because they're adorable. I don't need any lip stuff. I've got too much lip stuff. And I love having a lot of lip stuff, but I carry a bag of things for my lips, so that I'm always having them moisturized. But these are just so cute, and these were $5.50 on sale. See, not a great big sale. I think I did see they had them they had more current ones maybe for $6.99 or $7.99, I forget. So, you know, their sales aren't the best. Sometimes they are, but not the best. But these are the macarons, the Creme Shop Macaron Lip Balm, the Hello Kitties. So the blue one is cool as mint, and this pink one, which is adorable, says it's watermelon. So I just thought they'd be cute, you know, like I said, in friend mail or a giveaway. Super cute, love them. Okay, and then I got this. I was really happy with. They often have these large packages of Tony Moly masks. They're just in a plain plastic bag. They had several different varieties. They had, you know, I'm rice. I can't remember what else. They had a seaweed one. I can't remember. And they had lemon. They were all full price. The full prices were $11.99 or $12.99. I don't remember. But this one was in the sale section, and it was $8. And there are 10, well, you know, it doesn't say here anywhere. I just am assuming they used to be 10 masks in here. Let's see what they are. They're all the same, you know, scent, the same flavor, so to speak. These are the lemon. And it's a nice Ziploc bag, if I could get it open without damaging it. I think there's 10. Woo! 3, yeah, there's 10. And the lemon is for brightening. And the Tony Moly masks are so nice. They're thin. They fit you like a glove. And they're just really, really nice. You don't have to wash your face after the essence, you know, you want to tap in. It says 20 to 30 minutes for these. You know, sheet masks are different. Some are 10, some are 15, some are 20, some are, you know, like that. So let's do a giveaway right here. Just go ahead and put me a lemon emoji. There's a little lemon in your emojis. And I'll pick 2 of you that have put in a lemon emoji, and this is the one I'm gonna send out, just this. So postage is high. So we'll do that, okay? And then I'll do this on a Mask Monday and probably do another giveaway at some point, or put them in with, you know, when I do my Mask Monday giveaways. When I do a Mask Monday, you know, collab or something, I usually give y'all some sheet masks, so. So excuse me. And then I got another package of, these are foot masks, and these were not on sale. This is by the Creme Shop. Look at that cute package. And these were $6.99, not on sale. I just thought they were too cute, and I do have some friend mail going out soon. Hey, that actually opened nicely. So I thought these would be nice to have for that. Let's see what it says. It does say Cloud Walk Moisturizing Foot Mask. Smudge, I don't know, I think Smudge isn't the best. If he's not better by tomorrow, might take him to the vet. He just, I don't know. He's eating, he's drinking. He just seems a little off, and I don't know. You know, sometimes, you know, somebody else would be able to tell us because I know him. Let me show it to you, and I'll read what the package says. I've never seen this particular one before. They always have cute ones, you know. Not at my TJ Maxx, but I mean the Creme Shop has cute ones. There's 3 pair in this package as well. Little twin stars printed. Oh, okay. So it's got the little twin stars prints on them. Limited edition, it says. And they are Cloud Walk Moisturizing Foot Mask. Shea butter and glycolic acid. Blueberry creme scented. Oh, how nice. And of course, the Creme Shop is made in Korea. Cruelty-free, vegan-free, or they are vegan. They're quick absorbing to alleviate dry skin. These sock-like masks infused with moisturizing shea. Well, I won't read all that. These are for 20 minutes. I will tell you, if you've never done a foot mask before, you must be careful when you put them on. You have to stay where you're at. Don't walk around in them. They can be very dangerous because they're plastic, you know, so they can be very slick. So either you're going to put some socks or your slippers over them or something, and even then your slippers might slip off because you're wet. Your foot is wet inside the plastic bag, the plastic mitt. Okay, so be very careful if you use them. And so when you go to sit down to do this, have you a towel ready so when you take them off, you can wipe your feet nice and good. You know, rub in your extra essence you'll have left over and just clean up real good, okay? Those are very nice. So like I said, I had never seen the little twin stars before. I've seen Creme Shop foot masks, just not that one. And then I got, this is the last thing that I'm going to show you. This is the Creme Shop again, Hello Kitty. And Hello Kitty's always the best, the cutest, you know. This was $4.50 for this one. And there are 3 in here as well. And this is Tea Time Sheet Mask. Collagen Youth Promoting Black Tea. Soothing Antioxidants. So let's see what one of those looks like. And what I'll probably do, what I like to do with these boxes, that's what it looks like. How cute is that? Since there's 3 in these boxes, what I like to do is either send it to 2 other creators that will do Mask Monday with me, or 1 other creator, then I have 1 left over that I can give as part of my giveaway for that collab. So I'll see, you know, who's interested in, might be doing this with me sometime in the future. So that is my TJ Maxx haul. Not very big. Like I said, I got a couple of gifts, so I'm not going to show those. But I think that's about it. So just let me know what you think. And I hope you all are having a great day. And count your blessings, everybody. And I forgot to turn my candle on. I just saw that. Bye, y'all. Take care.